1. So for section 11.1, we're going to be doing the mean, median, mode, and range. So the problem asks us to find the mean, median, mode, and range of the following data. So I'm going to do 2 of them. So first we're going to do this, and then we're going to find all of them for this. So I want you to look over here at this red writing. The mean is the average. The median is the middle number. The mode is the number that occurs most often, and the range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number in the data. So let's find the mean, which is the average of this data. So what you do to find the average of the data is you add all of them up and then you divide by how many numbers there are. So let's add all of them up. So we have 6 plus 10 plus 12 plus 19 plus 21 plus 26 plus 29 plus 31 plus 31. And then we have to divide it all by how many numbers there are. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 9 numbers. So if you plug this in your calculator, if you add all of those up and divide by 9, you're going to get 20.6 for the mean. Okay, so let's find the median. Median is the middle number. So what's the middle number of this data? So 21's right in the middle, right? So 21 is the median. Mode is the most often. So what number occurs the most often? Well, all of them, there's only 1, except 31, there's 2. So 31 occurs the most often. And range, difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So what's our largest number? Our largest number is 31. So the difference between 31 and 6 means we're just going to take 31 minus 6. Remember, difference means subtract. Difference between 31 and 6 is 25. So 25 is our range. Okay, so let's do the same thing for that data. So let's find the mean. I haven't calculated it, but so we're going to add them all up. So 3 plus 6 plus 4 plus 9 divided by 4. I don't even know what that is. I don't think it's going to come out even. 21 divided by 4. I don't know what that is. So you can plug it in on your calculator at home and see what it is, but that would be our mean. So our median is our middle number. So what's the middle number here? There's not one, right? Because we have an even amount of numbers. So there's 2 middle numbers. So when there's 2 middle numbers, you add them up and then you take, so if there's 2 middle numbers, you take the average of them. So since we have 6 and 4 in the middle, we take the average of 6 and 4. So it would be 6 plus 4 divided by 2, right? Because we're adding them and dividing by how many numbers there are. So there's 2 numbers. So that's 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our median for this set of data is 5. That's the middle number. Mode is the number that occurs most often. There's not a number that occurs most often, so there's no mode. And then our range is the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. So what's our largest number? It's 9. And what's our smallest number? It's 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. So our range here is 6. And that's it.